family.
Damn, this is a big one for us guys. We're so happy to be sharing with you what we've been working on for years now.
We've officially launched.
Launch day. Yeah, that's it. Yes.
We've officially launched our brand new hair care brand called It's a Miracle, and we are so excited because we have some goodies for you guys. So our brand is basically like an all-natural brand. You know, we stick with ingredients and remedies that come from the earth, come from nature, and we're just so excited because we want to, you know, make sure that all the products that we are working on and going to work on in the future, that they all have like clean ingredients. Like we want it to be clean, no nasty stuff, no, like nothing you have to worry about. Like we want peace of mind, okay? Please, in this hair care industry, peace of mind.
For sure. That is more than supply everything that you can need, truthfully. For majority of issues out there, and hair growth is not the end of it. It's something we're working on. Thank you guys for your support. For those who are new to the channel, this is a brand that is titled It's a Miracle for a reason.
Miracle! It works!
So yes guys, we do have some products that we're very excited about.
We are.
Namely, one of them, a hair growth oil. Because we know at the end of the day guys, y'all want your hair too.
That's all you want. Let's be real. Everybody.
So we got that for you.
So our main focus for this launch is hair growth. We have a few other products that's kind of not catered to hair growth, but for the most part it's hair growth.
If not hair growth, for the management of your hair, whether styling or things like that.
So just to talk a little bit about our hair growth oil, specifically designed and formulated to stimulate your follicles. If you're using that in conjunction with like let's say our claw massager brush, which you'll find on our website, then you will get double the stimulation. We formulated this to make sure you're getting maximum hair growth.
We're very excited guys, because I've been using these stuff myself and ooh wee! I ain't gonna do that. Look in my eyes, y'all know I'm serious. This hair growth oil myself has changed my life. You will feel it working. It's going to be tingling on your scalp. It'll be like someone's massaging your scalp with ice cubes. Bro, it'll feel good, alright? You're gonna feel that. If you have a fresh braid up and use this, oh my gosh. Listen, I ain't even lying to y'all, okay? And I've been putting it on my beard as well. And it has a pleasing aroma, which is therapeutic aroma to it as well. And it helps me relax throughout the day.
It's infused with herbs and it's formulated with essential oils and carrier oils. And it just has a bit of everything. And it's beautiful stuff. When
it comes to what we've brought into it, it comes with Jamaican technology, Chinese technology, and Western technology. Jamaican, for example, castor oil, Chinese herbs, guys, all together, specially formulated for y'all.
Yeah. And just to give you guys a sense of like how powerful this is, there's over 15 oils in this formula. Just let that sit. You take it in, okay? It's powerful.
Also, guys, when it comes to our hair growth oil, we are giving a money-back guarantee. Money-back guarantee. That's how confident we are that you will like this oil. Okay, it's thin enough that it'll penetrate your scalp easily and absorb quickly. Y'all don't even know about these. Y'all don't even know about how important these stuff are.
You're not gonna be walking around with oily all day.
We did this research, bro. You know how much we had to pay
so
to get these people to formulate these stuff for us and to speak to us and let us know how this stuff really works, for real, bro. This isn't a game to us, bro.
Like none of that thick.
What was that girl's name? That girl was pissing me off.
Ooh.
The one who kept charging us for the freaking formula, bro. I wasn't trying to deliver a formula.
There's been a lot of,
Wendy? Bro, y'all don't even know what we've been through, bro. And I mean, the two main things when it comes to hair growth are your scalp itself, right? It has to have an optimal environment for hair growth. It can't have things like oxidative stress, alright? The second part of that is hair retention. Two main things. They kind of work hand in hand because if your hair is producing strong hair from the hair follicles, they tend to last longer, alright? So the hair growth oil can help you with your scalp, but there are things that you have to do to make sure that you retain the length. Quick tips: don't mess with the hair too much. Don't over manipulate it. Don't be picking your hair every day. You guys know these things, okay? But we're gonna get comes to shampoos,
conditioners, leave-in conditioners,
a few other things like
styling
that,
gels.
we're not there yet.
It's not there yet, but I'm so excited to get there.
They're all in the works. They're all in the works.
Yeah.
We've been trying to deliver a full hair care line, but truthfully, guys, it's not something that we necessarily want to rush. It's not advisable to rush things like that, because at the end of the day, if we give this to you guys and your hair falls out, we're gonna have a problem, right? Y'all gonna have a problem with us. So we don't want that. So truthfully, it's been years of us testing it on our friends and family. And ourselves. Of course, we don't just start from a testing standpoint. It starts with the research, right? And speaking to engineers and people who have been doing this for years, right? And trying to find what shortcuts that are made with other companies and avoiding those shortcuts and trying to deliver a 100% natural, healthy, and beneficial product to you guys. It's just been a journey. So much has been happening, guys, and we appreciate and thank you guys so much for your continued support. It means more than you can imagine. I mean, at the end of the day, we do this because we want to help people, and having you guys reach out to us and saying thank you and speaking with us, you not only help us feel important, but you make us feel like we're contributing back into the world in a meaningful way. Thank you guys so much for that. God bless you for that. When it comes to facilitating your hair growth journey, don't take that lightly, and we thank God for this platform, and we pray that any advice that we give, anything that we tell you guys to buy or direct you guys towards, that it only gives you health and brings you to your goals. Ones of you that have been with us since we first started this channel, you guys know that lots been happening. I mean, the hair growth has definitely been happening. Emotional video, to be honest with you guys, because this channel started off a bit of like a joke. It was just playful and and I mean, if you guys look at our earlier videos, it was just
you'll see.
fun and joking.
I don't know if you guys remember that video.
Let's show some 1-2 clips. Oh, but the jewelry? No, we ain't going back there. We ain't going back.
You know, I'm talking about even further than
Maybe we
that.
should react to those videos.
Further than that. But if you guys have been here since day one, shout out to you guys.
For real, that means a lot. And we appreciate all of you guys reaching out to us on Instagram here and there, emailing us, messaging us. We become a family now.
Literally.
You know, and it's really love. It means a lot to us. At the end of the day, guys, you guys are here for a reason. You guys come here because you want to improve your hair, whether it's your hair quality, your hair growth, whatever goals you have, you look to us for guidance. And we thank you for trusting us. And at the end of the day, we have to put our foot down, our minds down, and our whole bodies into making sure that we deliver what you guys require.
Exactly.
And so, at a point, we reached a level where we kind of sacrificed making videos because
so there's a reason why we haven't been like 100% into YouTube and not being consistent. There's a reason why, guys.
To be honest with you guys, can we share this? Can we be honest with you? We never really planned to be big YouTubers.
No. Like, truthfully, no.
We're quite private people.
No, we actually are. Like,
yeah.
That wasn't necessarily one of our goals. Like,
Yeah.
we didn't really want to be. Not saying that we're like huge or anything.
Yeah.
Like,
I mean, y'all see me on the road though, so y'all know. Y'all see me on the road, y'all know.
oh my gosh,
Y'all
the
been
amount
coming
of
to me
people.
saying what up, you know what I'm saying? At the airport here, y'all know.
It's
all
actually
love. No, but that's love though. That's
I'm not gonna lie to all people that have recognized us just in daily life, like just regularly.
Why do you feel like you sound like we're lying though?
No, it's so true. Like, I have the text messages to prove it, huh?
Yeah, this is hilarious.
No, but for all you guys who be like spotting us, you know, appreciate you guys for even watching our videos.
Don't be shy, like, we're friendly people. I know I'm bigger in person. You guys see that probably with me. But don't be shy, like, you know what I'm saying? Come say what up.
So again, you can check out the website at www.itsthemiracle.com. We'll link it down below. I know you guys are gonna love the products. We do ship worldwide. That we do have limited stock, so make sure you grab yours, whatever you want to get, ASAP, or it's gone and then it's on back order and then you have to wait months. Come on.
And this brand will reach people in different places and different platforms, but you guys are our beloved subscribers. So we want you guys to get that first.
This is why we are making this video right when we launch. It's happening right today.
Y'all know it's a family thing.
Yeah, we do ship worldwide, so all over the world.
And to make sure people in Africa, we got you. We got y'all.
Yeah.
I mean, y'all surprised. Y'all surprised to see an African boy with hair like this, bro. Y'all surprised. You know what I'm saying? So y'all surprised to see this. You know what I'm saying? If you're watching this video, remember this video. Because this is the beginning. You know what I'm saying? You guys can tell everybody that y'all were here in the beginning before this lifted off. Because this is going to be revolutionary.
It's lunch day!
Back to work!